Rishi and his friends are spending their summer vacation afternoons in the grueling 44 degrees heat looking for water. This is no child's play. Riding their broken bicycle, they found a broken pipe and decided it was their best chance to fill the three pots they were carrying. Rishi stepped inside, filled the pots, and handed them one by one to his friends. He said he has to do this once a day and his mother needs the water for household chores. The Mangalvedha Taluka, where they live, has a lift irrigation scheme that has been pending for decades and it remains a pipe dream.
I'm here in Mangalvedha Taluka where people, especially the farmers, are angry that their water problem has not been resolved for decades. Farmers here had resolved not to vote this election because the water problem was lingering, and that remains a key issue because they are not able to get a crop after the Kharif season.
Hello and welcome to Dance of Democracy 2024. In this episode, we will discuss agricultural crisis and the government's decisions regarding agriculture that may affect the elections this time. Topics like the ban on onion exports, crop loan, crop insurance, the absence of a decision on prices of farm produce, the lack of water. These are the topics that were on top of the list when our colleague Swati Kher visited parts of southern Maharashtra recently. So, Swati, what is the mood amongst farmers this time?
Nearly half of Maharashtra's population is engaged in agriculture or allied activities. Farmers are trying their best to ensure that the crop in their fields, whether it is pomegranates or bananas, survives. We saw fields and fields of pomegranates where the farmers have used paper, nets, and cloth to cover the crop from the harsh sun, and they are hoping that the crop that they get gets a good price. The government's policies on minimum price for agricultural produce, levying 18% tax on fertilizers and not ensuring a good price for farmers involved in dairy farming has made a lot of farmers in Maharashtra extremely upset, and they are angry and vocal in the election period.
आम्हाला जो हमीभाव पाहिजे तसा कांद्याला किंवा आमच्या शेतीमालाला हमीभाव भेटत नाहीये. तरी शेतकरी बराचसा नाराजही आहे आणि आमच्याकडे फक्त पावसाळी पिकावरतीच शेतीमाल चालू आहे. कारण उन्हाळ्यामध्ये आमच्याकडे पाणीच नसल्यामुळं शेती आहे पर शेती अभावी पीक असं स्थिती सध्या सोलापूर जिल्ह्यामध्ये आहे.
Water crisis is a big problem this time. Many farms have dried up and the crops have been damaged, especially when the temperature crossed the 40-degree mark. Many farmers were unable to sow their rabi crop and they have to depend on water that they buy for their day-to-day use. Isn't that the case, Swati?
Absolutely. Water is the priciest commodity in parts of Maharashtra that are drought prone. A farmer in these regions whose well has water is the man who rules the land. A farmer in Dahivali village of Solapur district told us that he did not take a crop after the monsoons last year so that the water in his well could be used by villagers as the summer began. And that is exactly what is happening now. A 25,000 litre tanker fills up from his well every day and caters to the needs of 20 surrounding villages. Ranjit Kale's 4-acre land is in these surrounding villages, but it lies barren. His sugar crop is gone due to lack of water and the harsh sun. The irony is that his farmland is just 20 kilometers from Ujni Dam, a massive water project in Maharashtra which caters to the water needs of entire southern Maharashtra. This dam has this year hit dead storage, and the canal that flows along Ranjit's land has not carried any water for months now. The question on Kale's mind is, when will they get water and when will they have a good crop that will ensure a regular income for them? Onion is a major crop in Maharashtra and it contributes to over 30% of the overall country's production. Farmers in Nashik, Dhule, Ahmednagar, Pune, and Solapur take this crop on a large extent. They are angry with the government's decision to impose a ban on exports. Farmers said that the government imposed the ban at a time when they had just harvested their Kharif onion and they could not take the summer crop because of lack of water. Overall, the income that they would get from onions, either through exports, did not take place. Moreover, with so much availability of onions in the local market, they did not get a good price for the crop even in the local markets. So the farmers are extremely unhappy. And gauging this mood, the center just recently lifted the ban on exports, but it has had little impact on the prices so far.
1 लीटर का जब दवा है वो जो 6,000 में मिलती है, बराबर है, तो प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट बढ़ेगी,
प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट बढ़ेगा।
वो जो एक 3,000 की और 6,000 की दवा के 1 लीटर की जो बोतल है वो 2,000 कीजिए, 1,500 रुपए हमें ठीक लगेगा। जब वो 6,000 के हो गए और प्याज 1,500 बिक रहा है, कब का ये नहीं मिलता, शेतकरी को क्या मिलेगा फिर?
The election campaign is at its peak and politicians are talking about these issues. The ruling parties as well as opposition, they are all trading barbs on farm prices issues.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has time and again said at public rallies that his government is for the farmers and it has addressed the water woes of Maharashtra. He has even targeted senior politician Sharad Pawar, questioning what the former Union Agriculture Minister has done for the farmers in Maharashtra. Recently, he took a swipe at Sharad Pawar, calling him a wandering soul, evoking a sharp response from the NCP-SCP chief. Speaking at a rally in Junnar, Sharad Pawar came back strongly against Narendra Modi, saying that yes, his soul is restless, but it is for the farmers in distress and the people who are struggling for water and high inflation.
We will know how the farmers have voted this time when we see the results on June 4. While most of Maharashtra's votes have already been locked in EVMs, there are still 13 seats where rural as well as urban issues will decide how people will be voting. That voting will take place on May 20th. Seats like Nashik, Dindori, Dhule, Mumbai, Thane, they will be going to the polls. To understand all the poll developments and keep track of what is happening, pick up a copy of Times of India or follow us on our website. And before you go, have a look at this photograph from Times of India archives and comment if you recognize the politicians in them. Thank you and goodbye.